Okay, so we have the GSD Capped Contingency Liquidity Facility, or the CCLF, reset reminder from the DTCC. Fixed Income Clearing Corporation's Government Securities Division will reset each netting member's individual total amount on January 3rd, 2022. The reset will reflect a look-back period of July 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2021. The new CCLF cap will be effective as of January 3rd, 2022. All members are reminded that, number one, as reflected in the office's certificate, each member has certified, among other things, that, number one, it will incorporate any changes to its individual total amount into its liquidity planning, and two, it will, through periodic discussions with its financing sources and other methods, continually reassess its liquidity plans and related operational plans and procedures, including in the event of any changes to the member's CCLF cap, to ensure its ability to meet any funding obligations incurred as a result of FICC's declaration of a CCLF event. And, on a daily basis, each member's CCLF cap is available via the Report Center under the Clearing Fund folder. Please contact your relationship manager with any questions. So that's what's going down with the FICC CCLF liquidity facility. It will be reset on January 3rd with a look-back period of July 1st to December 31st. Going to be reorging their liquidity plans for the coming year, I assume. So let's see what happens. Yeet and skeet.